lost and confused about your future? Do you not know what you want to do with your life? If so, you're not alone. Many young people are feeling the same way. A school is a place where you can find your passion. We offer a wide variety of programs and courses, so you're sure to find something that interests you. Our experienced faculty will help you develop your skills and talents so you can reach your full potential.
Are you ready? Yes, I am. Unit 1.
At ASA School, you'll be surrounded by people who support you and want you to succeed. We believe in you, and we're here to help you reach your goals.
Hello everyone, my name is Susanavati. I live in a small family. There are 4 members in my family. My father's name is Mr. Nosrun and he is a farmer. My mother's name is Mrs. Bonsena and
ASA School will prepare you for the future. We'll give you the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in your chosen field. You'll be ready to make a difference in the world.
My younger brother is 7 years old and his name is Vati. My younger brother is very intelligent and good looking. We love each other so much. I am so grateful to be born in a family like this. I love my family so much. Now that's all. Thank you everyone and thank you teacher.
If you're ready to find your passion and achieve your goals, then ASA School is the place for you. Apply today! Visit our website or call us today to learn more about ASA School. We look forward to hearing from you.